Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to be showing you how to safely remove acrylic or gel nails. Right, so Ella has had these nails on for 10 weeks. Naughty Ella. She should have had an infill a long time ago, obviously, because they're very grown down. But we're going to remove these today. So we'll start by clipping off the side. Clip off the side of it, it'll take it off right the way across. And they'll fly all over. I want to save some of the natural nails, so we're not going to clip them all the way down. Then we will use a medium grit drill bit, medium speed, and just take down some of the bulk. Keep moving it around, you don't want to get heat spikes in one particular part of the nail, it will hurt. I personally just like to break off the top of the top coat so that the acetone can soak through. Then we've got some hot water in the bottom of the dish. Pop some acetone in the top of it and pop your fingers in. I'm going to leave that there for about 20 minutes and then take it out and file off this sticky layer. So now these have been soaking for about 20 minutes, we're going to wipe off all of the what's sticky. You can see all the stuff that we put under 10 weeks ago. File over the top and get rid of, just gently because you don't know how far down the nail is. You don't want to damage that. There's still a little bit of acrylic on there after we've filed it off on the ends. You can file that down, but I would rather put it back in the acetone for a little bit longer just to make sure that we don't damage the natural nail. So pop that back in for about another 10 minutes. Right, so these have had another 10 minutes in the acetone for the last little bit of acrylic. I'm going to take a 240 grit file, just take off the rest carefully. I'm going to push the cuticles back just to file over the whole nail plate. these off actually. File the free edges into shape. These will be ready for either gel polish, or you can take them shorter if you're going to add an extension. I'm only using a 240 grit file on the natural nail because we don't want to thin any of it out. They're in good condition, these, Ella.
I'm surprised. 10 weeks worth.
I know. I'm just going to use the round ball bit and a low speed to go around the cuticles just to tidy those up a little bit. I'll gently buff out any scratches. Wipe over them with some gel residue, wipe off solution, just get rid of all that dust. There we go, ready for any application, top coat, gel polish. Safely removed. So now that the nails are all removed safely, they're ready for any new nail enhancement. If there's anything else you would like to see, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Phone's on silent.
Yeah. I was thinking